Namaste children, how are you all? I hope all are safe. Children, in last class we discussed expanded form, place value and face value, and then ordinal numbers and cardinal numbers, and then find the before number and after number between the which number is between number. So we should find out the answers. So now these concepts are already learned in the first standard. So now today also that which concept is that also you have to learn already. So just one revised concept it is completed today. I have completed the revised concept. Next class I will take to main concept, second standard main concept I will go to. Okay, so main concept is up to 999 numbers we have to learn. Okay, today I'm going to discuss comparing the numbers. So compare the numbers means the compare which number is greater, which number is smaller, which number is greater, which number is smaller. Okay, so what is the use of which number is greater, which number we have to find? So the uses of the given numbers are arranged in ascending order. The numbers are arranged in descending order, ascending order and descending order we have to make easily. Okay, that's why we have to learn greater than and smaller than. And so we can find we have daily life we have to using 10 chocolates, 5 chocolates. So okay, we have, so which person having how many chocolates is more than, so greater chocolates have, so that has to be find out. Okay, greatest number or smallest number we have to know that. Okay, so now compare the numbers. So comparing over, what should we symbol we have to using? So look at that. It is greater than symbol. It is smaller than symbol. Sometimes the numbers are equal. So we can use to this equal symbol. Okay. The three symbols are there. Okay. How to using the, so we can compare the numbers. The first standard you have to learn only 2-digit numbers. Okay. Ones and tens places. Okay. So we can compare start from tens place. Start to tens place first because that is the greatest place value you have in the first standard. So now only tens place first we can compare which number is greater we have to easily. Okay. Now I will take the examples. 50. So here 25, here 50. Now compare tens places. So here tens place have 5. So 2. Here tens place is 5. Which number is greater? 5 is the greater. 2 is the smaller. Okay. You know that 5 here 2. Which number is greater? Okay. So 5 is the greater. 2 is the smaller. So now, so here the number is 25. Here number is 50. Which number is smaller? 25 is the smaller. 50 is the greater. Okay. So how to show the arrow mark? Which number is smaller, that side we have to close or we can show the arrow mark. Okay, so now it is a showing on the using the symbol. So now I will go to second example. Okay, so now check the tens place only. Check the tens place first, and then tens place is same. We can go to ones place. Compare the ones place. Okay, tens place. If the tens place is same, go to ones place. Okay, if the tens place and ones place are both are same, we can using the symbol of is equal to. Okay, so now, okay, now, so first compare the tens places. So here tens place is 1, here 1 tens place is 2. Which number is greater? 2 is the greater, 1 is the smaller. So now, so 18 is the smaller. That side we show the arrow mark. Okay, now go to third one. Okay, so now compare to the tens places first. Now comparing the tens place, here 9 tens place, here 8. So which is greater? 9 is the greater, and then 8 is the smaller. So we can show the arrow mark 85. Okay, how to read these numbers? How to read this number? So okay, we can read 25 is less than 50. 25 is less than 50. 25 ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತು, 50 ಗಿಂತ ಸಣ್ಣದು. Okay, now 18 is less than 28. 18 28 ಗಿಂತ ಸಣ್ಣದು. So now 95 is greater than 85. 95 ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವಸ್ತು ನಂಬರು 85 ಗಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡದು. So it is bigger. So, okay, now okay, I will take the another problem. So it is variety problems. Okay, simplification is there. Okay, so now take the example, fourth one. Okay, first, so this type first answers, first we should adding the numbers, or add or subtraction will be given. First adding the numbers. Okay, first simplify, and then addition has to be, sum has to be, first find out that. Okay, what is the sum? Okay, 6 plus 3 what? 9. 6 plus 3 9. So we can write the once again bracket. 4 plus 1 5. Okay, which is the number is greater? Because why it is right? So we cannot use to the tens place and ones place here. Okay, complete number is not given, so we can add is first. It is a simplification first. We have to finish. Simplify means sum and difference we have to find out. Okay, so which number is greater? 5 is the smaller, 9 is the greater. So we can using the symbol. Sorry. Okay, so here 9 is the greater, 5 is the smaller. So 9 is greater than 5. 9 is greater than 5. Now I will go to fifth one answer, fifth one question. Okay, so this type of questions, first we have to find the sum or subtract. Okay, then we can compare the numbers. Okay, so now find out the answer. So here addition is there, we get the sum. 2 plus 6, first simplify. 2 plus 6 what? 8. 10 minus 2, 10 minus 2. Okay, so remaining 8. Okay, so now we should write. So what we get, what we write? So the numbers are equal. The numbers are equal, both sides. Okay, we can use this is equal to. So this type of examples given in the textbook, page number 7. You have to finish it. Okay, now go to. So did you understand this concept? You find the, so we, the main concept we can go for, it is 3 digit number will become. So here only 2 digit numbers only. Okay, so now go to ascending order and descending order concept. Okay, children. So ascending order, descending order, you know. Okay, already we can learn for comparing the numbers. Okay, so now using the concept, we can find the ascending order and descending order. So ascending order means what? Ascending order means the numbers are arranged in small to big. Arrange numbers into small to big. Okay, so the switch, if we can find the first smaller number, then which number, so remaining, so numbers, which number is smaller, first we can take to small to big. So the numbers are arranged in small to big. That number, so that numbers arranged is called as ascending order. Descending order means what? That is reverse process. First we can take to bigger value, so descending order to up to small value. So that has to be big to small. The numbers are arranged in big to small. That side, so that numbers we can, the numbers are arranged is called as descending order. So keep in the mind, ascending means it is small to big. So and then this descending order means big to small. Okay, using the concept, so find the, okay, just look at the board. Just I will tell the first one example. Ascending order means what, how to do. Okay, ascending order, first read the numbers here: 45, 28, 82, 54. Okay, 45, 28, 82, 54. Okay, first which number is smaller? Okay, first we can observe the tens value. Here 4, here 2, here 8, here 5. Okay, 4, 2, 8, 5. So which is the tens value is smaller? Here tens value is smaller, here's 2. Okay, that number first we should write. Because 2 is a tens value, it is very smaller, 28 first. So it has to be over. Now go for the remaining 3 numbers. Which number is smaller? First compare. Here 4, here 8, here 5. So which number is smaller? Now here 4 is smaller. So tens value 4 is smaller. So what is the number? 45. Then, so it is over. So now remaining 2 numbers. So here 8, here 5. Which number is smaller? 5 is a smaller. Okay. Tens value 5 is a smaller. 54. Then which number is greater? So that is finally, this number is finally. Okay. 82. This type numbers we arranged. That is called as ascending order. Now 28. 28 after 45. 45 after 54. Then 82. The numbers are arranged in ascending order. This like we have to do it. Okay. So now observe the second question. Okay. Observe the second question. Year 14, year 36, year 10, year 11, year 42. Okay. So now which number is smaller? So now you compare the tens values. Year 1, year 3, year 1, year 1, and then 4. So the same places, tens places are there. Year 1, here 1, here 1. Okay. The places, tens places are same. Going to check the ones places. Here 4, here 0, here 1. So now which number is smaller? Yes, 10 is smaller. So now, because the ones place is 0, 10. Next one, it is over. Next remaining, so same ones places first we go, because remainings are 3 and 4. So now 14 and 11, which is a smaller? 11 is a smaller. Second one over. Next third one. So remaining, that is a 14. Next, go to the, so 3 numbers are over. Next remaining 2 numbers are there. So here tens place is 3, here tens place is 4. Which is a smaller? 3 is a smaller. Is it right? 3 is a smaller. No, 36 is a smaller. Now remaining that number is 42. Okay, so we can use to the symbol of numbers. Okay, so we can, I will tell the numbers you should write on the number upside number, so we can use to. Okay, so we have descending order. Descending order means big to small. First we can check the bigger number, not for the smaller number. First bigger number. Okay, descending means bigger value. So now find out. Here tens place is 9, here tens place is 1, here tens place is 9, here 5, here 9. 9 means only 9, not for the 90, it is not that. Okay, so now observe that. Okay, so now which number is greater? The same tens places are there going to. Okay, here 9, here 9. Go to check the ones places. Here 0, here 2. So which number is greater? 2 is the greater. So first we should write on the first number. So it is 92. First number, it is 92. Then which number is small, greater, smaller? So now greater. So 92. Next one is 90. Is it right? Then which number is greater? So it is second one. Okay. So now, so it is these 2 numbers over. Remaining, so 3 numbers. Which number is greater? 50. Because tens place is 5. Next, compared to 11 and 9, which number is greater? 11 and 9. This is a descending order. Okay. This is the answer. Now, going to second one answer. Shall I go for? I will go to second one question. Okay. Now, first read the numbers completely. Okay. So now check the numbers. Okay. So here 25, here 60, here 73, here 20, here 37. Now compare the tens value. First we can compare tens value. Here descending order. First we can find the biggest number. So here tens is 2, 6, 7, 2, 3. So 7 is the greater. 7 is the tens value is greater. First we should write this one. First one. Okay. 73. That is the greater number because greater tens. Next, first one over. Second, remaining 4 numbers. Which number is greater? Yes, 6. Here 2. Here 2. here 3. Okay, now find out which number is greater. 60 is greater. Next, so which number is greater? Next, it is second one over. Second one I have to finish. Third one, remaining 3 numbers, here 2, here 2, sorry, here 3, here 2, here 2. So now which number is greater? Tens. 3 is the tens greater. Now third one is over. Next, fourth one. Fourth one, so now 25, here 20, 20. So now the tens values are same. Now check to the ones places. Here 5, here 0. So 5 is the greater. So remaining is 20. Okay, so now this is called as descending order and ascending order. So now your textbook page number 7, you have to finish this concept. So then what? Using the symbol of greater than, smaller than, and ascending order and descending order. Okay, some students are already done. Okay, remaining students has to be completed and send the photos to be my personal number. Okay, today I have to finish. The revised concept will be over. Next class I will take the second standard main concept, main chapter we have to go. Okay, thank you students. Dhanyavad. Watch and find the number answers also. Okay, Dhanyavad students. Thank you.